Hello everyone, in this video we'll be guiding you on how to transfer money from Tremendous card to bank account. Now there are requirements to take note of. You need to have an admin or finance role or appropriate permissions in order to do this. Also, only US bank accounts are permitted. If you're an international user, you'll need to contact Tremendous directly. Now the first thing you'll need to do if you meet this requirement is to go to the bank account balance widget in the Tremendous platform. This could be through Home or Billing. Then select Balance sections. Click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner and select Initiate Withdrawal. Then add the bank account for withdrawal or choose from an existing account which has been saved already. Tremendous will review and approve the bank account, then you'll receive an email notification once it's approved. After approval, repeat the first two steps and specify the amount you want to transfer. The amount will be deducted from your Tremendous account immediately. It will be posted to your billing statement in the next 2 to 4 business days. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to transfer money from Tremendous card to bank account.